Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make an Xbox account and also make Xbox Gamertag. Simply head over to your web browser and type in xbox.com and click on the profile icon on the top right corner and wait for a bit for a new page to open, and then click on create a new account. Now you have to type in an email address. You can type in any email address or Gmail address. It will send a verification code to your email address. As you can see, I have received the OTP code. I will copy that code, paste in that code, select my country of residence and date of birth, type in your first name and last name, and click on next. And after that, follow the prompts and you have successfully created your Microsoft account. Now, once your account has been created, simply click on the profile icon on the top right corner. Go to your Xbox profile. Here, if you haven't created your gamer tag right now, then what you have to do is simply click on create new. But if you have created a gamer tag just like me, then what you can do to change your gamer tag, simply select the pencil icon and in the customize section, simply type in your new gamer tag and you're good to go. And that's simply how you can make Xbox account and create your Xbox gamer tag without liking this video. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.